top of the morning, people. Top of the morning, a beautiful morning this morning, you know, me I tell you. But me down a wreck ship. I got do some casting on the rough side over the beach. I do some artificial lure, maybe do 1 and 2 set line, I'm not sure yet. I'm kind of afraid to park out as still now, but I take a one chance and come out and look every minute. Kind of clean still, but you know, I have to do it. But I go over now, go see what can go on. Stay tuned, if anything, we hook up on something, we make you know, we make you see what go on. So, we catch you on the beach, fish on, every time. Let's all come back. This guy using the people, there's a little bait here, like a little toffee, you said small. Yeah. Yeah. Can you see it good? See if we can pick up that right, that's how it is now. It looks like a little toffee thing, you know? Like a small toffee, so. And a whole for toffee out there, so I don't know. Oh, that's anything else I will cut off the line, I have trouble, I don't know why, you know. Mackerel or them thing, we cut out a bit. You see when you see when you fish on, come now, come here, what kind of fish is? Come here, boy, come here, I said come here. Fish on every time, brother, come here, what kind of fish? A jack, a jack, you know, blue runner, come here, boy. See that, people? First fish, first cast, first fish, see that? First cast, first fish. This is a bar jack. Alright, bar jack. Alright, me take him still, you know? Oops, no, don't jump, no, stop. Come here, container fish now. First fish of the morning, bar jack. Put him in this, yeah, put him in this. Container, look at container, come in this. Oh, you mash up the load. Bar jack, that's a bar jack. And the little lure, so the little lure, man, tell us it by this man, yeah. That's a bar jack. Nice size. I'm going to see if we can catch 2 more. Alright, put on this chicken for me. Put this in there. I'm going to piece right this way, yeah. The bar jack in my crate. I'm going for another one now. See if we can catch another bar jack or another good fish. Alright, out there again. Out there again. Yeah, brother, morning. I'm doing my face now. Oh. Anything else? First fish shot, first cast, second cast. Don't anything else for the second cast, third cast now, or fourth cast. I lose count here, man, or some kind of cast. But the first, second, or third, you know. So them on the line still at that. Alright, so change lure up peeps. See there now. This is the AYU 3DS. See? AYU. I try to what I want to say. My favorite snook bait is so if snook out there bite and them see it, if they don't bite, they will grab it up. But if they not bite, you know say it's a nil game. But anyway, trial, you know, try it. You have to just try it, you know. Water look good up here, so the mercury, right? And the color water you want to see, you know. Yeah, man, but the sun on my face is, man. I see now, and the snook out there, the bird that dive right outside. The bird is diving right here, so see if any snook out there. Come here, boy, come here. Fish on again, brother. Come here, what kind of fish is this? Come here, boy, fish on. Come here. Now I find something hard to learn about carpet. I know what kind of fish it. Come here. Come here. Come here, man. Look so. Come here, boy. Yeah, stand up for me. Come here, boy. Come here. No, come here. Come here, boy. I said, come here. I said, come here. I don't want to force you. Come here. Doing it. Come here, man. I don't want any small with my man. God damn it. Come. Not even big neither, you know. It's not even big neither, but I either snag him, get snag or something, man. Come on. Snag and get snag, man. Tell you know, here. See my people? Big boy. Big Jack. Jack crevalle, man, I tell you. Yeah. Good, I say you're strong, eh? I say you're strong. That's all the sun on my eye. Hey people, I'm sure she's sun on my eye, you know. Yeah man, see my people, don't like it. Alright. I'll take him off here now. Yeah, see my people. Jack crevalle. Long time I catch a jack still, but don't know. I saw it go. Alright people, so watch out again to the bird by the again, watch it now, watch it now. One more this now, watch it now. No doubt about that, one more this, watch it now, watch it now. Yeah. Yeah, so I change again people. Change from the AYU to the champs now. Let's see if this one can work. Because maybe them a little further out and they now reach them with the lure. So a little further out now with the champs and see now if them out on the outside, you know. Maybe them outside from the outside they now come in. So I'll try that now and see if them look on the outside. Maybe them look on the outside, you know. I'll make two try with the champs now and see anything on the outside. Could have a gold champ. Okay, but probably that work better. See this, a little further now. Maybe like stop. Don't run off the whole of my school. Pick up a fish now, I don't have to school now. That's it. Oh man, don't wake me up so man. What's up? Straight out far. Alright, drop my water with the ball, sit down. Thing with champs, you know, you can't go anything too fast. If you retrieve it too fast, you have a thing there, swim on top of the water. You can't do that, it will take time. If it swim underneath the surface, you know? So, scaling time now, you know. Yes sir. Catch one up on the first cast. That one here is a bar jack. Kinda meet good cylinder, so that's why I'm not release a little one here. I'm going to fish at small cylinder, but they don't know. At dinner time, you see it? The fish there in my fridge, you know. So one snap I catch at the end, I'm done already, you know. I'm gone on my belly already. Yes sir. I want the mosquito man, be able to save someone, don't run for me. One thing to him dry, so you know, so you don't have a skill too proper. So brush him off and go back home, soak him in some water and brush him off. See it? Watch it. See that? The skin kinda it dry upon him, so kinda hard to brush off and watch it now. That's it. If I do it over, I can go home. All the big one there. You know what happened? I put them in the ice box now because them dry. So if I carry them home and soak them in some water before I can scale them. No, them are not going to scale good at all. I put them back. Put them in the ice box here, man. That don't make no sense. When I go home, I soak them in some water. Soak them and then them scale off easier. I'm not step myself, I can't bother that. So people, don't know if I'm gonna stop now, if I'm gonna finish now, but first of all, I'm gonna check on the vehicle and then I'll come back and if I feel like one cast, but if not, move on and go somewhere else or go home. But you know, so thanks for watching, alright? I'll see you guys in the next one. You're out here. Fish on every time. Every time. Alright, them done. Go out here. Man said me hit the jackpot. Man said me hit the jackpot at it. Seriously? Yeah, people, you want to meet the jackpot, see them, 2 jack, bar jack, crevalle. Where am I going to ice box now? In there. Come on, in there. Yeah. So people, I hit that.